Good morning, sleepyhead. Time to wake up.
Is it morning already?
Yes, it is 8 o'clock. Rise and shine.
Oh no, my bed is too comfortable today.
Come on, let us start the day together. Wow, you are so full of energy. Of course, I have a big plan today.
Okay, I'm getting up now.
Good boy. The sun is shining very bright.
I see that. Give me 1 minute, okay?
No minutes. Get out of bed right now.
All right. My feet are on the floor. Perfect.
Go wash your face very quickly, dear.
Yes, Captain. I am moving right now.
Good. I will see you downstairs in a bit.
Wow! Breakfast looks amazing! Thank you.
I made your favorite pancakes this morning.
You are the best. This smells delicious.
Eat up. We have a busy day.
Wait, what is our plan for today?
First, we eat. Then, we clean up.
Oh no. Cleaning? That sounds like work.
Do not worry. I will help you.
Okay. With you, cleaning is actually fun.
Good answer. Now, finish your hot coffee.
Oh, did you make fresh coffee too?
Yes, it is hot and black. Just try.
Wow. This is exactly what I needed.
Great. Now, you have no excuses left.
Fine. I will clean the dishes today.
Look at you. You are finally ready.
Yes, I am dressed and full of food.
You look very nice in that t-shirt.
Really? Thank you, my beautiful wife.
Are you forgetting anything? Your keys?
Oh, yes! They are on the table.
I knew it. Here you go, dear.
I see them. Thank you so much.
Let us go. Let us start the day.
Let us do it. Have a great day.
Wait, give me a hug first, Ryan.
Of course. Big morning hug for you.
Thank you. Now you can leave, mister.
Goodbye, honey. See you in the evening.
Goodbye. Drive safe and have fun today.